Good morning. We are still talking ratios, and I wanted to talk to you guys about how to do these. And for some reason, I got something not working. Let's just try this and plug it back in. There we go. All right, now we got it. All right, so we're going to talk about ratios. And what we're talking about in the ratios is the second method. There's two ways to do ratios. Now, I showed you the first way. Now we're going to look at the second way. The second way is called division. And what you do, you simply do divide, multiply. It's a cross that you do. So let's look at 2, 3. Your first number in your box is, we have 2, and then we have 3. Now, look at the box right here. This is our first box, and it's an 8. What we're going to do is we are going to take the top number 2, and we're going to divide that into 8. How many times will 2 go into 8? 4 times. Now, the second part of this is to take that 4 and times it by 3, the bottom box right here. This is the 3. And 4 times 3 is 12. And so our answer is 12. Let's do another one of those. I don't like writing over on the side. That makes it a little bit messy, I think. Maybe make this pen a little bit narrower. I don't know. Okay, so again, when we're looking at this, our next box is 12. That has a number in it, okay? And we're going to divide it, and we're going to divide it by 2 because that's our top box number. And that will go in there 6 times. The second step then is 2 times it by 3. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay? Our next one is on the bottom. And so we know that our top number is what we're going to be finding. So if we look at this, we have 2, 3, and then I'm going to put it over here so we can see this better because I don't like how messy this looks. This is one of those things that could make me insane really easy. Okay, so now let's look. Our top box is open. Our bottom box is 24. Step 1, we divide. So 3 divide 24 is 8. Step 2, multiply times the top box, which is 2. So 8 times 2 is 16. So the answer is 16. Let's look at the next one. Our next one, oops, don't want to do that. Hold on, we got to get this out of here. I apologize there. Oops, don't want that either. I want to get rid of that. And we'll go back here. I got to get that. And then I want to erase. There we go. Okay. So our next one, I'm going to let you do yourself. And you would put in your answer. So what do? You divide first and then you multiply. Let's move down to 7, 4. 7, 4. If we look at it, we have 7 on the top, we have 4 on the bottom. Remember, this is a ratio, not a fraction. Ratio means units of. So we have units of 7 and we have units of 4. Our first top number is in the box is 28. And our bottom is open. What do we do first? Well, the very first thing you're going to do is divide 7 into 28. How many times will 7 go into 28? 4 times. 4 then is times 4. So 4 times 4 equals 16. So this number is 16. Okay? Does this make sense? I hope it does. I find this way to do ratios easier than the graph method, which is what I showed you in the first time, was to multiply, 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 multiply. This way, you don't have to have it drawn out quite so far. So our next one is 56 on top. It's open on the bottom. So what's the very first thing I do? I divide 56 in 7. 7 is always on to the outside. The number in your box is always on the inside. How many times will it go in there? 8 times. 8 times 7, because now we multiply, is 8 times 7. Oh no, see, I did it wrong. It should be 8 times 4. I apologize. 8 times 4 is 32. There you go. Okay, so not as complicated, not as drawn out as our other method. I like this second method the best. Let's look at another one. Clean this up. I'm going to roll this down. 9, 5. We did a lot of these together on the other video. So we're going to look at this, doing it in a multiplication. Let's do the 9, 5. So the 9, 5 is 9 on top, 5 on the bottom. Our first number that it asks us for is 25. 5 will go into 25 how many times? 5 times. So this is divide, this is times. So 9 times 5 equals 45. Just doing it a little bit different each time. I hope that's not confusing. The biggest thing to remember is divide first. You might want to write that down on a piece of paper, on your paper. Divide first. Yeah, I hit the thing, sorry. Divide and then multiply. Okay, maybe I'll get better at using this, I hope. Eventually I'll get better at using this pen. It's kind of funny. I get a kick out of it. I have been told I have pretty nice handwriting, and then I get on here and it looks atrocious to me. Okay, so let's take a look at 9, 5 again. We have 9, 5. And our next one is 35 on the bottom. We are going to divide that. That's going to equal 7. So 7 times 9 is, and you write in your answer, multiply. Our next one is 90. So if you have 90 on the bottom, how many times will 5 go into 90? And on the top, we have 9, and that will be 9 times your answer. Okay, and that's a pretty easy one to do. So this is actually going to be 50, and our next box over is 900. Just some of these you'll be able to just do right off the top of your head if you remember your multiplication and your division facts. Multiplication is the easiest way to do this, and division, to me, is the easiest way to do ratios. So our next one, let's do one more, 5 over 6. And our first box is 35 with an open box under it. So I would divide. That's going to be 7. Okay? And 7 times 6 is 42. Okay? So that number would be 42. All right. If you have any questions, give me a holler. I hope this makes sense. You certainly can go back, pause, look, see what I've done. Sometimes I go fairly fast, but I want you to remember the 2 important parts: division, multiplying. Division, multiplying. Each time, regardless of whether it's on the top or on the bottom, you're looking for your first number. And in 5, 6, your first number is 60. So you are dividing 5 into 60. You are multiplying that number times 6. All right, good luck. Let me know if this how this goes for you. And we will do more ratios in the new year. The new year is coming up, 2021, and we'll be working on ratios. Have a good day. Talk to you later, guys.